Hi and welcome back to Deep Papa's Living and Flip Flop Life. In today's episode, I wanted to do something different. I wanted to show you the back of the scenes, how I work on when something comes out and I'm interested in. I really want to, promote it because I think it's going to be big. It could also make me money as well because by going into and buying the product myself and testing it out, I'll be able to confirm that my gut instinct told me that this product is good, the research that I've done is good, the vendors that have come out with the product is good, so I'm going to go ahead and promote it myself. So what I would do is basically go to JvZoo and I'm going to find, like, for example, it's called Live Leap and it's coming out tomorrow. So I decided I wanted to promote this. So I got the so what I do first, I just want to show you exactly what I would do with a link when I get it. The first things first is I want to take this link and actually cloak it and use another and use a way of actually so I can share it easily, because JvZoo links are not really allowed on Facebook. So at the same time, I want to track this link. I want to know what's going on, who's clicking on it, how many clicks am I getting, how many conversions. So I will take this link, I will copy it, all right, and then I'm going to go to Click Magic. Okay, and I'm going to create a link. And I've already created a link for this. So it's Live Leap. So I'm just going to show you the steps that I would take. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to enter my link here. I'm going to cloak my link. I'm going to put a name for that. Preferably the keywords of the product itself. And then I'm going to grab this link. And then I'm going to head over to my website. And on my website, I have a tool called Pretty Link. And what Pretty Link does is it makes it pretty. Whatever link you have, if it's got like if it's got it's got numbers at the end, like your affiliate links and everything like that. Well, Pretty Link will make it pretty, and it won't have none of that. So right now, because what I'm gonna do with this product is basically I'm gonna create a blog post review, and then I'm gonna add it on my YouTube channel, create a video for it, showing you the back office, what you get, etc. And then I'm gonna send it out to my email list, and blog post, and Facebook, and all that. So when I wanna share it to people, it's gonna be easier for me to know, it's my dpapa.com domain, and then just put Live Leap here, and I'm good to go. Okay, so I'm going to create my link. So I've got everything set up, right? So now I got my link for the product. I'm going to check it if it works, if it's working properly and everything. All right, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to place it in my browser. And the sales page of Live Leap should show up. Okay, and this is, okay, so in 2 hours, Live Leap will be launching. Okay, so right now there's nothing for me to promote. I'm just, getting ready for this product that's going to come out and everything like that. So this is the steps that I'm taking to start promoting a product. Okay, the next steps are going to be creating the blog post review, then the video that I'm going to create for it, showing you the back office, and then adding the same link, this link, in my description box below. I'll be coming out with the other videos as well, and I'm going to be providing you with more info as well on Live Leap. So thanks for listening. I hope this was as valuable as it is to me when this is the exact strategy that I'm doing right now. This is how I work. I like to do this my way, and this is, it's a step-by-step, very easy thing to do. But the value is really into the creating of the review and everything like that as well. Okay, so keep a lookout for the next video. Talk to you soon. Peace out. Okay, thanks for coming back. Now, my next step is to basically go back into my affiliate tracks. This is another software tool that I have, which is going to help me track my sales that I'm going to be doing on JvZoo, and also building my list with buyers, a buyers list. Okay, so basically affiliate tracks is what it does. It gives me a callback URL where I take this URL they give me. All right, I'm going to show you exactly what I do with this. All right, and I'm gonna grab this link that I have my ID on and everything like that. It's an amazing tool. I love using it. I made a review for this on my blog as well. You can find it on there. So I'm gonna go back into the LiveLeap affiliate information, and I'm gonna add it into this area right here. So right now, anybody that's gonna be buying off this link, I'm going to be grabbing their email list in my autoresponder, where I have a list specifically for this. Thanks to Affiliate Tracks, which is an amazing tool by Brett Rituki and Mike from Maine. So you might want to use that as well if you want in your arsenal of tools and everything like that. All right, so in my next video, I'm going to show you the blog post review that I've done, the process of what I do on that section as well. Okay, thank you and see you soon. Keep a lookout for the next video. Hi, and welcome back to Depopper's Living in Flip-Flop Life. In this episode, we're going to continue from the video before. I'm going to really quick create a Facebook page for LiveLeap because I'm going to be promoting it through Facebook, through my blog posts, through YouTube, and that's how I like to promote things. All right, so I have access to LiveLeap, but before I go ahead and create my blog post, I'm going to go ahead and create a page. So I'm like, one of the first people that will have this page under that name. All right, and because I already created it and I already have some information on it, let me just grab that information that I wanted. There we go. And I'm going to use my LiveLeap. Remember when I created my link and everything? Well, this is it. All right, so I need to create an image for it, but real quick, just for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and just create it myself. Let me just do this. All right. I'm going to show you why I'm doing this the way I'm doing it right here. All right, so I'm going to go back into my, let me see, oh yeah, it's right here. I'm going to edit this. Okay, I'm going to edit because I'm trying to do a profile logo for it. And this is how I usually do things on the run kind of thing. All right, I'm going to close that, open it up with paint. Okay. Take that, take that. Okay. See how it's like shaping up now? Take this, put it here. Excellent. And I'm gonna save it. All right, and then I'm gonna change so it's like Facebook scaled, profile, image, etc. So it looks good when I upload it as a profile. Excellent. See, just came out perfectly. Perfect is the way I wanted it. All right, so I'm gonna skip this part, and I'm just doing this on purpose so I can have it out there online. So when people are like searching for it because it just got on, I mean, just adding some stuff here. Excellent, whatever, and save. It's not important because you can change that later on. And then I'm just gonna add also I'm going to add the cover. It's that simple of creating a Facebook page. I mean, seriously, it's not that hard. All right, don't be scared of it if you're new to all this. It's very simple. All right, so I'm going to upload photo. I already had taken some things from before. I'm going to use this one right here. my coffee. There. And what I like to do, I'm going to click Save Changes. Now what I like to do is take actually the links and connect them to those images that I uploaded. All right. So for example, this image right here. I'm going to add a description, and in that description I'm going to put my I know the date's going to show, but it still is going to take it in. So it's like somebody clicks on this, the link will be available right here so they can go straight to it. Okay, and then I'm going to also add a button on the, so it would be shop now, learn more. Because I really want them to see the sales page and be sold through the sales page. Okay, so I created that. And plus this link right here, as you remember, it's cloaked, so Facebook won't be slapping me around saying that I can't use that link. And other than that, that's how you set up the Facebook page, fan page. All right, and then after that, there's a trick where you can go ahead and invite your friends. And then if you're into any other groups and etc., you can send them invites as well. But for now, I'm going to keep it like this. This is the third part video of how I set up everything on how I set up everything to review and promote a product that just came out. Okay, so in this case, this is LiveLeap, the product that I'm promoting right now. In the next video, I'm going to show you my blog post and then what I do next. Okay, so keep your eye out for the next video. Peace out. Okay, so we're back into my blog, and I've already created my blog post. I'm waiting for my video to upload so I can add it as a video demo, etc. I wrote everything that I thought that people should know about this tool. This is targeting people that are doing live videos and they're promoting stuff through Facebook Live. Well, this can take it to another level. Like basically, you'll be able to do live videos and not only secluded to Facebook, but this will actually do a live feed on other social media channels, making you go viral a lot easier than ever before. And we all know that Facebook Live is huge right now. It just launched on Facebook and people are using it like crazy. Facebook is rewarding people that are actually using this tool to promote themselves or their business or anything that you want to do in terms of showing who you are, connecting with people, networking, signing up people. You can do a lot of things when it's live. People like to be captivated by live features, etc. People love that stuff. So this is my blog post to, I just went ahead, used it, checked it out, saw what it's all about. I used the sales page of LiveLeap to be able to get all the information that I wanted, as well as my own experience using the tool itself. Then I write, I either take and copy information from that sales page and make it my own. Like you need to make it your own. Never try and copy anything that's on sales pages and put it on yours and act like it's yours. Change a few words around, make it yours. Do not copyright, copyright, but no plagiarism. And right underneath this, I'm going to add my video. And then I've got my call to action and everything like that. So I'm adding everything in here. I'm adding the titles that I create them myself. I believe I have a good mind on choosing right titles and everything. But I am keeping in mind the keywords that I'm looking for. And these are the 3 keywords that I really want to push on. All right, that's why I'm going to have it in my categories as a LiveLeap or whatever, my tags. I'm going to have the LiveLeap word as much as possible, etc. And then if we scroll down, I'm going to have more information on what it is. Actually, I wanted to change this. Let me see. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Anyway, I'll change it. Just wanted to change this around, but I'll do it later. But other than that, this is ready to go. I'm just waiting for my demo video to be added to this post. Now, when this will be live, it's going to be posted on my Facebook accounts, my Aweber as well. And that's going to be our next spot where I'm going to be writing an email to my email list, where I'm going to be promoting this blog review of Live Leap. Okay, so I found. Let's recap. I found a product that I think will sell. I know it's going to sell. It's the everything in the researching that I've done shows me that it's something that people want, and I like to give people what they're missing out from their business. So this is one of the tools that I would suggest you grabbing if you're doing my type of business. Okay, if you're in my line of business. Then I went out and created a Facebook page, fan page for this product. All right, trying to put the name out there. Okay, and then I'll be connecting it with the cloaked links that I've created with pretty links and click magic from my previous video, so Facebook doesn't block me and everything thinking it's from JvZoo, etc. They like blocking JvZoo just because there's a lot of people out there that don't know what they're doing and they're spamming, and Facebook doesn't like spammers. So you try to be as discreet as possible in terms of what you're giving the people that you're trying to sell to. Okay, so this is the setup right now. And the next video will be in creating the email that I'll be sending out to my subscribers and everything. Okay, so keep a lookout on the next video. Peace out. So now I'm in my Aweber account, and as you can see, I got my video. It's being exported right now to YouTube, and I'm ready to go ahead and write my email to my list. Where I'm going to be letting them know that I've created a new blog post and everything. And I'm going to, about Live Leap, the product that I've been promoting and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and grab an excerpt of my blog post review that I've done. So I can just go ahead and throw it in here. All right. So I'm going to just basically I'm just copy pasting my own blog post. There's no point of me creating something new here for my users. I mean, it's me writing this stuff, so it was it's making, just fixing up a couple of things here, etc. And then I'm going to tell them, like, look, read more about Live Leap. What I like to do is give the link. I'm going to add a link as well, hidden like a hyperlink and stuff. But I really like to be honest with the people, when I'm promoting stuff. I make sure that the link that they're going to click on is exactly what they know they're going to get click on. I don't want to trick them into clicking something and then they might get mad at me. So avoid doing that. Try and be different than every other marketer out there that is probably spamming and stuff. So right now, I'm going to do that. And, in my list, I don't spam my list. I give a lot of value throughout the days, but when there's something good, I will send out an email, and I will be for the next 2-3 days talking about the same product. All right. The reason why I'm doing that is because I know a lot of people are ignoring some of my emails, or they're not opening them up. I want to make sure that they're seeing what I'm trying to do, because I'm trying to show people I'm not spamming. I mean, I am giving information, but then when there's a good product out, I will promote it, and I'm doing it so I can also get commissions, but I also have the product myself. All right. So I want to use the same type of title that I've used for my blog post. I'm trying to be have everything which is on the same. Sorry if I'm looking on the right, it's because I got 3 screens, and I'm using it to grab stuff and bring them over on this screen as well. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna just say that, so I can have like a little, okay, what is he talking about? I want to see, that. So, and then I'm about to just save it and send. I mean, I got the link. Oh, read about Live Leap. Yeah, I made a mistake. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and, sorry about that. That's the gypsies that are passing by, and they got their little annoying. Anyway, I don't want to lose my concentration here. So I'm gonna ask him to read my blog post on my the link that I'm gonna give him. Copy link address. Alright, I'm going to just leave that as it is right now. I'm going to change it later when I'm done with my blog post, but I just want to give you an example of what I would do with the email that I would send out. Read more live lead on blog post. All right, so this is hyperlinked. Instant access. All right. Just needs some fixing. I'm just doing this real quick, but you get the point. All right. I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna send it out when I'm ready to go. So that's basically how I'm gonna send it out to my email list, etc. It's all tied in. So I've done the blog post, I've done the video, I've done the Facebook fan page, I've written my email to my list, letting them know about my blog post, about this product, this new product that's out, and then I'm going to send it out. Okay, and that's it. That's what I do in terms of affiliate marketing, promoting and reviewing products. Okay, this is one small part of my whole affiliate marketing business that I'm doing. All right, this is what brings me some money in the month, depending on the product, depending on my size of my list, depending on how I promote it. It all depends on what people are wanting at that moment in time. All right. Sometimes some of the products flop. I don't get a lot of sales or no sales at all. That's fine. There's always going to be products out there. And plus, I'm really betting on my own products when I'm ready to come out. But for now, instead of working on mine as just my products and I want to make something on the side, this is how I use JvZoo. This is how I use all the tools that I've shown you in all the videos that you've seen and I've uploaded. All right. So maybe the next video I'm going to show you is the results I get in the next few days. I don't know. But right now, I think this is, gives you a clear idea of what I do, how I proceed when I find a product and I get access to. Okay, so this is Demetrius signing out for The Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. Please subscribe to my videos below on my channel so you can get more valuable videos as these. And as you can see, it is valuable. It's really cool to see what another marketer does behind the scenes. All right, it's something that people don't like to show. I don't care. I like to help people, and I'm very transparent with the stuff that I'm showing you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.